So when we receive your data, and one of your users brought up, do they modify my data?
Sorry, didn't mean to laugh
Almost
out loud.
anything that's gone into manufacturing of the printed circuit board, all of your data had been modified. Every single layer is modified. You have title blocks, crop marks, everything has to be deleted. And sometimes we try to delete multiple layers at once. So if it makes you uncomfortable that you know that I'm going around with a area deleting tool hitting multiple layers at once, you could alleviate your fears by not putting crop marks on your layers, and then we don't have to delete them. It will save us time as well in getting your design prepared for manufacturing. But all of your circuit layers are etch compensated. That means we have to grow it for the amount of width loss we expect during the etching. So for example, in my factory, if you have a 1/2 ounce inner layer and you have a 4 mil line, I'm going to make it a 4.5 mil line, and when it's done etching, it'll be back to 4. So I've taken all your data and I have to increase it. So if you think that we're not changing your data or not modifying anything, we are modifying your data. We have to for manufacturing. But we have to remove stuff that shows up in the data that we don't want and don't need. So when it comes to crop marks on every little nook and cranny that follows the profile of the board, we have to remove every single one of them. Because if we didn't, when we route out the board, it would look like we have exposed copper on the board, which is a violation of a finished printed circuit board, because what if power and ground is shorted out there?
Yeah.
And all it is the crop mark. It's not the actual part of any net. So we have to delete all these to ensure that we have a good board for you.